Backyard privacy should not cost a fortune. Landscape contractors charge thousands for privacy fencing and screening installations. Garden centers charge hundreds for mature privacy shrubs. And most homeowners either pay those prices reluctantly or live without the privacy their outdoor space deserves. Today we are going through $6 tree hacks that create genuine, effective, beautiful backyard privacy for almost nothing. These are not temporary fixes or flimsy workarounds. These are real solutions that actually work. Let's get into every single one. Before we begin, if you are new here, welcome. We bring you honest, practical, budget-friendly, outdoor living content every single week. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. If today's video helps you create the private, comfortable backyard you deserve without the contractor price tag, a quick thumbs up takes 1 second and helps this reach more people who need it. We appreciate every single one of you. Now, let's go to the video. Okay, privacy transforms how an outdoor space feels and how often it gets used. Research on outdoor living consistently shows that people use private outdoor spaces significantly more frequently than exposed ones. The psychological need for shelter and enclosure is fundamental to human comfort outdoors. But the conventional privacy solutions, fencing, mature hedging, landscape timber structures, are genuinely expensive. Today's $6 tree hacks address the privacy problem directly, effectively, and at a fraction of conventional costs. Every hack uses materials available right now at Dollar Tree for $1 each. Item number 1, the Dollar Tree Bamboo Stake. Trellis screen, the living privacy structure that grows more beautiful. Every season, the Dollar Tree Bamboo Stake Trellis Screen. A DIY trellis framework built from Dollar Tree bamboo stakes, planted with fast-growing climbing plants. Dollar Tree sells bamboo stakes in bundles, typically 8 to 12 stakes per bundle for $1. That are the primary structural material for one of the most effective and most beautiful DIY privacy solutions available at any budget level. The concept is simple and powerful. Drive Dollar Tree bamboo stakes into the ground at regular intervals, but 8 to 12 inches apart, along the boundary where privacy screening is needed. Lash horizontal stakes across the vertical ones at 8 to 10 inch intervals using Dollar Tree garden twine. Also available for $1, creating a grid trellis panel of the desired height. For a privacy screen of 6 feet height, add stakes from multiple bundles, lashing them end-to-end vertically and reinforcing joints with extra twine wrapping. Plant fast-growing annual climbers at the base of each vertical stake. Morning Glory, Black-Eyed Susan Vine, Thunbergia, Sweet Pea, or Scarlet Runner Bean, all of which reach 6 to 8 feet of climbing coverage within 8 to 12 weeks of planting. Within a single season, the trellis framework disappears completely beneath a dense, flowering, fragrant curtain of climbing plant coverage that provides genuine visual privacy while simultaneously creating one of the most beautiful garden features possible. For permanent year-round screening, plant perennial climbers like clematis, coral honeysuckle, or hardy kiwi at the base, which return an increase in coverage with each passing season without replacement. Key benefit: the total material cost for a 10-foot bamboo stake trellis screen. 5 bundles of stakes at $1 each, plus 2 rolls of garden twine at $1 each, is $7. A comparable custom timber trellis panel from a landscape supplier costs $80 to $150 installed. The Dollar Tree version costs $7 in materials and 1 afternoon of installation effort and produces a result that, once covered with climbing plants, is visually indistinguishable from the expensive alternative. The climbing plant coverage actually makes the Dollar Tree version more beautiful than bare timber trellis. Caution: bamboo stakes used as ground-driven structural posts have a lifespan limitation. In contact with moist soil, bamboo degrades over 2 to 3 years. Reinforce the longevity of the trellis by driving Dollar Tree wooden dowels or repurposed metal tent pegs alongside the bamboo base stakes to provide structural support as the bamboo base sections age. Alternatively, drive short sections of PVC pipe into the ground as permanent sleeve posts and insert bamboo stakes into the pipes, keeping the bamboo above soil contact entirely and dramatically extending its useful life. Item number 2. The Dollar Tree Container Privacy Wall, the portable, repositionable living privacy screen. The Dollar Tree Container Privacy Wall. A row of large containers planted with tall screening plants, creating an instant, movable privacy barrier. The container privacy wall is the most versatile and most immediately effective privacy solution on today's list, providing genuine visual screening from day one of installation without waiting for plants to establish, and doing so in a completely portable, repositionable format that requires no permanent installation, no ground fixing, and no landlord permission for renters. Purchase the largest available Dollar Tree containers, the biggest buckets, planters, or storage bins they carry. Spray paint every container in the same color, matte black or terracotta, for visual cohesion. Fill each with potting mix and plant with one of 3 tall, fast-screening plant options depending on your climate and light conditions. Option 1. Bamboo. Clumping bamboo varieties in large containers reach 6 to 8 feet tall and provide the densest, most immediate screening available from any container plant. Option 2. Ornamental grasses. Carl Fierster. Feather reed grass reaches 4 to 5 feet with its plumes adding height to 8 feet. A row of matching grass containers creates a beautiful, movement-filled privacy screen of genuine sophistication. Option 3. Tall annual flowers. Sunflowers reach 6 to 8 feet within 8 weeks of planting. Tithonia, Mexican sunflower, reaches 5 to 6 feet with brilliant orange flowers, and Cosmos bipinnatus reaches 4 to 6 feet. All providing fast, tall, colorful summer screening from seed planted directly into containers. Arrange the planted containers in a continuous row along the boundary requiring privacy, touching or closely spaced to eliminate gaps. Key benefit: the container privacy wall solves the rental property problem completely. No permanent installation, no ground disturbance, no landlord permission required, and fully portable when moving. A renter who invests in a container privacy wall takes that privacy with them to the next property. The containers, the plants, and the entire privacy installation moves as a unit. For homeowners, the repositionability allows seasonal privacy optimization, moving the screen to wherever it is most needed as outdoor living patterns change through the season. Caution: large containers filled with potting mix and tall plants are genuinely heavy, particularly after watering. Assess whether your deck, balcony, or patio surface can support the concentrated load of multiple large planted containers before installation. Decks and balconies have rated load limits. Consult a structural engineer if you are uncertain about the load capacity of your specific surface. Distribute the container weight across as wide an area as possible and avoid concentrating heavy containers in corners or at the outer edges of elevated surfaces. Item number 3. The Dollar Tree Outdoor Curtain Hack, the instant enclosure that creates a private outdoor room. Dollar Tree Outdoor Curtain Screen. Dollar Tree fabric panels hung from overhead structures to create immediate enclosure and privacy. Of all the hacks on today's list, this is the one that delivers the most immediate and most dramatic privacy transformation. A complete enclosure effect that changes the spatial experience of an outdoor area from exposed and public to enclosed and genuinely private within the time it takes to hang fabric panels from an overhead structure. Dollar Tree sells fabric panels, shower curtains, tablecloths, canvas drop cloths, and various fabric items that serve as the raw material for this outdoor curtain privacy screen. Purchase enough panels to cover the sides of the outdoor area requiring privacy. Using Dollar Tree shower curtain rings or cable ties, also available at Dollar Tree, hang the panels from pergola beams, porch rafters, fence rails, or a Dollar Tree tension rod stretched between posts. Floor-length fabric panels hanging from overhead structures create the visual impression of walls, enclosing the outdoor space into a room-like environment that feels genuinely private and genuinely intimate. For weather resistance and visual sophistication, spray paint Dollar Tree canvas drop cloths in your chosen color before hanging. Canvas is naturally somewhat water resistant and accepts spray paint beautifully, creating a custom-colored outdoor curtain panel at $1 to $2 per panel that would retail for $30 to $50 per panel as a purpose-made outdoor curtain. Key benefit: the outdoor curtain privacy screen is the fastest privacy solution available. Installation takes 30 minutes from unboxing materials to complete enclosure. It provides the most complete privacy of any solution on today's list. Fabric panels with no gaps create 100% visual screening from the enclosed direction, and it creates a genuinely beautiful enclosed outdoor room aesthetic that makes the space feel like a designed, intentional outdoor living area rather than merely a screened zone. Caution: fabric panels in outdoor conditions are vulnerable to wind. Long, floor-length panels in open outdoor positions catch significant wind and exert substantial pulling force on their hanging points. Ensure hanging points are genuinely secure. Use proper hardware screws and structural timber rather than adhesive hooks, which lose adhesion outdoors, particularly in heat and humidity. In very windy locations, tie the bottom hem of each panel to a fixed point at ground level. A garden stake, a container base, or a fence rail, to prevent the panel from billowing uncontrollably in wind and creating both an aesthetics problem and a structural load on the hanging points. Item number 4, the Dollar Tree Reed Fence. Extension hack, the Instant Height Edition. That no one realizes costs $1 Dollar Tree Reed Fence Extension, using Dollar Tree bamboo placemats, reed mats, or woven materials as fence topper extensions. One of the most common backyard privacy problems is a fence that is simply not tall enough. A standard 6-foot privacy fence that still allows overlooking from a second-story window next door, from an elevated neighboring deck, or from a slope that puts the neighbor's eye level above the fence top. Adding height to an existing fence through traditional means. Replacing fence panels with taller ones, adding a timber extension frame, is expensive and in many jurisdictions requires planning permission for fences above a certain height. Dollar Tree provides a creative, inexpensive, and genuinely effective solution. Dollar Tree sells bamboo placemats, flat, woven bamboo panels approximately 12 by 18 inches, and similar woven reed or grass mat products that, lashed together in a row along the top of an existing fence, add 12 to 18 inches of visual screening height at a cost of $1 per placemat section. For a fence requiring additional privacy along its full length, lash placemats end-to-end along the fence top using Dollar Tree garden twine, creating a continuous screening extension that adds meaningful additional height at minimal cost. The natural bamboo or reed material blends seamlessly with wooden fence aesthetics. The extension looks intentional and designed rather than improvised. Key benefit: the reed placemat fence extension is the most targeted privacy solution available. It addresses the specific problem of insufficient fence height without replacing the entire fence or building a new structure. A 50-foot fence section requiring height extension can be addressed with approximately $40 tree placemats at $40 total, compared to several $1,000s for fence replacement or professional extension construction. Caution: woven bamboo and reed materials deteriorate in sustained outdoor exposure, typically lasting 1 to 2 seasons before the weave begins to loosen and the material loses structural integrity. Treat extended fence toppers with outdoor waterproof varnish or wood sealant spray immediately after installation to significantly extend their weather resistance and useful lifespan. Reapply sealant annually at the start of each outdoor season for maximum longevity. Item number 5, the Dollar Tree Sunflower Privacy Border. Hack: the 6-foot annual privacy hedge that grows in 8 weeks. Dollar Tree Sunflower Privacy Border. A dense planting of tall sunflower varieties creating a fast, beautiful, seasonal privacy hedge from seed. Sunflowers are the fastest growing, tallest, most immediately impactful annual privacy screening plants available, reaching 6 to 8 feet of solid, dense growth within 8 to 10 weeks of direct sowing from seed, creating a temporary but genuinely effective seasonal privacy screen of extraordinary visual beauty that costs under $5 in seed packets for a 40-foot planting border. Dollar Tree sells sunflower seeds in their garden section through spring and early summer. Typically multiple seed packets available for $1 each. The tall giant varieties, Mammoth, Russian Giant, Kong, are the most appropriate for privacy screening, reaching the maximum height and producing the densest, most light-blocking stem and foliage density. Sow seeds directly into prepared border soil after the last frost date, spacing seeds 8 to 12 inches apart in a double row for maximum density and screening effectiveness. Within 3 weeks, seedlings are visible and growing rapidly. By 8 weeks, the border is providing genuine privacy screening. By 12 weeks, at full height with open flower heads, a sunflower privacy border is one of the most spectacular garden features available at any price point. Key benefit: the pollinator value of a sunflower privacy border is extraordinary. A 40-foot sunflower border at full flowering attracts an abundance of bees, butterflies, and beneficial insects that benefit every other plant in the garden simultaneously. After the flowers fade and seed heads develop, finches, sparrows, and other seed-eating birds feed on the heads through autumn, providing wildlife value that extends the garden benefit of this seasonal privacy screen well beyond its visual screening function. Caution: sunflowers are strictly seasonal. They die at the first hard frost and provide no privacy screening through autumn and winter. Plan the sunflower privacy border as a summer solution and combine it with a permanent solution: container plants, a trellis with perennial climbers, or a fence extension that provides year-round screening where needed. Use the summer sunflower season to establish the permanent solution while the sunflowers provide immediate screening. By the time the sunflowers die, the permanent solution is established enough to take over. Item number 6. The Dollar Tree. Upcycled pallet and planter privacy wall. The freestanding privacy feature that looks like a designer garden installation. Dollar Tree upcycled pallet privacy wall. Wooden pallets combined with Dollar Tree planters and climbing plants to create a freestanding privacy feature. Wooden shipping pallets, Baum, available free from garden centers, hardware stores, supermarkets, and logistics companies, provide the structural framework for the most visually impressive and most design-forward privacy solution on today's list. A standard wooden pallet standing vertically provides an instant 4-foot by 4-foot panel of visual screening. 3 pallets stood side by side and braced against each other create a 12-foot wide freestanding privacy screen of solid wooden structure. The Dollar Tree element, the component that elevates this from a functional screen to a genuinely beautiful garden feature, is the planting attached to and surrounding the pallet structure. Attach Dollar Tree small planters to the pallet slats using cable ties. 1 planter per slat, positioned at the front face of the pallet. Fill each with trailing, cascading, or compact plants in a coordinated color palette. Allow climbing plants planted at the pallet base to grow through and up the pallet structure. The slatted structure of the pallet provides natural purchase points for climbing tendrils and twining stems. Spray paint the entire pallet structure in your garden's coordinating color. Matte black creates the most sophisticated result before attaching planters. The finished installation: a spray-painted pallet structure covered in coordinated plants and trailing planters, is a genuinely beautiful, genuinely substantial, genuinely private freestanding garden feature. Key benefit: the pallet privacy wall is completely freestanding, requiring no ground fixing, no post setting, and no permanent installation. 3 pallets braced against each other in a slight zigzag configuration are self-supporting on flat surfaces without any anchoring. For additional stability in windy conditions, fill Dollar Tree large buckets with soil or gravel and lean the base of each pallet into the bucket. The weighted buckets anchor the pallets without any ground penetration. Caution: inspect every pallet carefully before using for garden planters or privacy structures. Pallets treated with methyl bromide, a fumigation chemical, are marked with the letters MB and are not safe for use in growing situations where plant roots will contact the wood. Heat-treated pallets, marked HT, are the safe choice for garden use. Avoid unmarked pallets of unknown treatment history. The MB marking is small but present on the pallet end grain. Check carefully before accepting and using any pallet for garden purposes. $6 tree hacks. All genuinely effective. All delivering real privacy without the contractor bill. The bamboo stake trellis that becomes a flowering privacy curtain. The container privacy wall that moves with you wherever you go. The outdoor fabric curtain that creates an instant enclosed outdoor room. The reed placemat fence extension that adds height to any existing fence. The sunflower border that screens the entire garden in 8 weeks. And the pallet planter wall that looks like a designer garden installation for the cost of free pallets and a few Dollar Tree planters. Privacy is not a luxury. It is what makes an outdoor space genuinely usable and genuinely enjoyable. And now you have 6 ways to create it for almost nothing. Thank you so sincerely for watching today. If today's video has given you a clear, affordable plan for finally creating the private backyard you deserve, please hit that like button right now. Share this with every homeowner and renter you know who wants outdoor privacy without paying contractor prices. And if you are not yet subscribed, now is your moment. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a weekly upload. We will see you in the very next video. Until then, screen it, plant it, hang it, and enjoy the private outdoor space you should have had all along. Happy creating!